Hello guys, this is your good friend Tim. Welcome to my channel. Some time ago, our regular customer's factory in Southeast Asia was going to expand their factory and production line and want to add another new line. I went to meet this old friend and talk about our first visits to their factory in 2021. Their THT production line was still using the manual vision inspection. Although the components of the power board are relatively large, there are many THT components which can easily cause visual fatigue after looking at this for a long time. And each operator has different experience and judgment. The factors that affect a human being most is a lot. If we are not careful and not in a good mood which work tightly, it's easy for the defective board hiding in the OK product and fall out, which will cause really serious safety hazards. And customers complain, affecting the brand's trust in them. At that time, they were advised to use AOI, but I could clearly feel their concerns because they had also understood and tried some AOI brand before and found that this AOI programming was complicated. It took several weeks to teach an engineer, and the efficiency was very low, and there were many false costs. And operators had to be added for secondary inspection. In order to dispel their concerns, I took them to another customer's factory to see the actual usage of Makerway AOI. Originally, this factory also used manual visual inspection, but afterward, all of their 12 THT production lines took split-wave AOI and double-sided AOI into use. When he arrived at site, my customer was very surprised because there was no dense visual inspection workers in 12 production lines. The production lines only needed a few AOI engineer and repair personnel, and the entire workshop was highly automated. I explained to him that Makerway was the first company in China to use AI models for inspection. The model has accumulated decades of industrial scene data and can fully identify the characteristics of different objects under test. Therefore, Makerway AI can automatically complete the programming of most components and solder joints without engineer having to learn complex programming methods to manually draw frames or adjust color parameters. They only need to perform simple steps, which are very easy to operate, so a few engineers are enough to take care of this batch of AOIs. In addition, he's also very concerned about the problem of AOI false costs, because many AOI right now in the market still use traditional color algorithms, which do work well when dealing with some defects with very obvious features. When it is necessary to detect slightly more complex things, such as black polarity on black components, where the colors are highly similar, the capability of traditional algorithms will be limited. In contrast, AI is like hundreds of millions of neurons in the brain. Through multi-level neural networks for features recognition and processing. In these complex scenarios, AI algorithms can reach more dimensions and deeper feature recognition, ensuring higher detection rates and accuracy. In fact, as long as the right AOI is selected, it can also bring great benefits to the factory. Later, this customer went back and placed an order for our THT, pre-wave, and post-wave AOI. Originally, they needed 4 visual inspectors for one line. Right now, they only one engineer for one line to review only. If there are 8 lines which can save almost $30,000 of manpower costs in a year. With fewer people, the workload of recruitment and training can also be reduced. The introduction of AOI has improved the factory's automatic process capability, which also means that the strength of manufacturing has increased. Okay, today's story ends here. Follow Makerway, follow Team, and we will keep sharing the more interesting experience, stories, and professional knowledge here. Thank you. Bye-bye.